Dumplings are one of my all-time favorite dishes, with or without broth, steamed, fried, filled with chicken, beef, or pork. Every country has its own version, and they are all absolutely delicious. Today, we are making juicy, flavorful chicken momos from scratch. So good, you want to make them again and again. If you love Indian street food, Asian dim sum, or you're simply looking for something new and delicious, this video is for you. Stick around until the end, because I will also show you how to make one of my favorite dipping sauces for dumplings. Let's get cooking. Choose your subtitles. Ingredients in the description. 14 ounces chicken breast, 3/4 cup red onion, ½ cup carrot, 1 stalk green onion, 2 tablespoons fresh coriander, 1 green chili, 1 tablespoon butter, ½ tablespoon fresh ginger, 1 tablespoon garlic, 1½ teaspoon salt, 2 teaspoons black pepper, 2 tablespoons soy sauce. In a frying pan, heat a drizzle of olive oil, add the butter, and the finely chopped garlic, then the chopped ginger. 45 seconds will be enough. Let's mix all the ingredients for the filling. First, the finely chopped chicken breast. Add the salt, brown black pepper, and soy sauce. Now the vegetables all finely chopped. Onion, carrot, spring onion, fresh coriander, the green chili to your liking, and the garlic and ginger sauté. Mix everything well, adding it to the chicken. The chicken will need to marinate for at least 30 minutes. In the meantime, we'll prepare the dumpling dough. We will need ½ teaspoon of salt, 2/5 cup of hot water, and 1 2/3 cups of flour. Using a large bowl, mix the wheat flour with the salt. Then add the water little by little, preferably in several batches. Mix slowly with a spatula. Then you can begin kneading by hand. Subscribe for more videos. After a few minutes of kneading, you can place the dough in a plastic bag, seal the bag, and let the dough rest for 20 minutes. We're also going to prepare a delicious spicy sauce for the momos. Heat up a fry pan with 3 tablespoons of oil. Add 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. Stir and let it fry till golden brown. Set into a bowl to mix with the rest of the ingredients. 1 tablespoon of vinegar. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. 1 tablespoon of water. 2 tablespoons of ketchup. 1 teaspoon of sugar. 1 teaspoon of salt. 1 teaspoon of chili flakes. 2 tablespoons of green onion. 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds. Stir to mix everything. And this delicious spicy sauce is ready to go. Let's get back to the dough. Flour the dough in your work surface. Roll the dough into a cylinder and cut it into pieces about ½ an inch or ½ an ounce each. Lightly flour each piece, then flatten them one by one. Use a dumpling rolling pin, rolling it out without pressing the center and rotating the dough 45 degrees each time. Continue until you have a wrapper about 2 inches wide and 1/16 inch thick. Repeat the process with the remaining dough. Fill each wrapper with about ½ a tablespoon of filling. Fold the dough over itself and seal the edge. Then connect the ends and make a small pinch and fold at the tip. You can also experiment with different shapes. Leave a comment if you are interested in a video about this. Continue filling momos until the dough or filling is finished. We'll heat some water and add salt to cook the momos. Add them one by one. And let them boil for about 7 minutes. Then, take them out and drain them before plating. Now we'll use the delicious spicy sauce to coat the momos. Add a bit of freshly chopped cilantro to finish them off. But wait, there's still another way to prepare momos. We can also steam them. All you need is a bamboo or metal steamer. Place the steamer over a pot with enough water to create steam and let them cook for 8 minutes. Our momos are now ready. Serve them with some extra sauce. Don't forget to leave a like if you enjoyed this video and want more weekly recipes. And it's done. Enjoy. Thanks for watching.